Hello! In front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Open Google Assistant, go to Voice Match and enable this function. Now go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
Según Wikipedia, Pozo de Guadalajara es un municipio y...
Talk in English.
Para eso, tienes que desbloquear...
Okay, I'll respond to you in English from now on.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy, with a high of 13 and a low of 6.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.